Right now, there is a massive gap widening in the workforce. On one side, you have people using ChatGPT to write emails. On the other, you have people building autonomous agents that run their entire business while they sleep. By the end of this video, you won't just understand the difference. You will have the exact blueprint to join the second group. We're moving past the chat era. In 2026, AI is about agency. It's about tools that don't just talk to you, but talk to your apps, your calendar, and your customers. Ivy spent the last 7 days stress testing a system that saves me over 20 hours a week. I've packaged every prompt, every connection, and every tool into a free Notion blueprint linked below. But do not click yet, because if you do not understand the logic I'm about to show you, the blueprint is just a dead document. Let's get to work. Think about your yesterday. How much of it was deep work, the stuff only you can do, and how much of it was the manual labor trap? We're talking about the copy-paste cycle, researching a lead, copying their info to a CRM, drafting an email, checking a calendar. It's repetitive, low value, and quite frankly, it's why most of us are burnt out by Wednesday. In the old world, you needed a $5,000 a month virtual assistant to fix this. In 2026, you need an Agentic Stack. We are shifting from human in the loop, where you do the work and AI helps, to human on the loop, where the AI does the work and you simply provide the green light. Let's break down the first pillar of this stack, the brain. Most people fail with AI because they treat it like a search engine. They ask, what are some social media trends? And they get a generic, useless list. To build an agent, you need strategic reasoning. Watch this. Analyze the top 5 emerging Gen Z subcultures in sustainable tech, cross-reference with Q1 spending data, and build a 3-tier outreach strategy. See what's happening here? I'm not asking for facts, I'm asking for synthesis. Perplexity isn't just Googling, it's connecting dots across 20 different sources. Pro tip. Inside the blueprint, I've given you my master prompt template. It uses a framework called RPG, role, process, and goal. When you define the role of the agent first, the output quality triples. If you're just chatting, you're losing. You need to be architecting. Now, a brain without hands is just a dreamer. To make this an agent, we need an execution layer. This is where Gumloop or N8N comes in. Let's look at the logic for the project I just mentioned. 1. The trigger. I feed a raw idea into my brain agent. 2. The logic. The brain parses that idea and decides, is this a video, a newsletter, or a product launch? 3. The action. If it's a video, the agent automatically creates a project in Asana, pings my editor on Slack, and drafts the initial script in a Google Doc. Look at this condition node. I've set it so the AI waits for my approval before sending any emails. This is the human-on-the-loop safety net. You aren't losing control. You're gaining a manager who never sleeps. I know this looks complex, which is exactly why I built this for you. This is the 2026 Agentic Blueprint. Section 1. The stack. These are the 4 tools you actually need. Don't waste time on the 1,000 new AI tools launching every day. Section 2. The prompt library. These are the exact system instructions I use. Copy them, change the bracketed text, and you're 90% done. Section 3. The workflow maps. I've literally drawn out the if-then logic for you. The goal isn't for you to copy me exactly. It is for you to take this template and customize it for your specific manual labor trap. Whether you're a realtor, a coder, or a creator, the logic remains the same. Let's talk about the after. Last month, I had a 2-day power outage. Usually that would mean a total business collapse. But because my agents were already triggered, my content was researched, my outreach was drafted, and my systems kept moving. What used to be a 20-hour grind, the research, the planning, the tedious admin, is now a 30-minute review and approve session on Friday mornings. This isn't about being lazy. It's about leverage. In 2026, your value isn't measured by how many hours you spend at a desk. It's measured by how effectively you manage your AI workforce. The future doesn't belong to the people who can write the best prompts. It belongs to the people who can build the best systems. Step 1. Click the link in the description and grab your copy of the Notion Blueprint. Step 2. Duplicate it to your workspace and pick one task to automate this week. Just one. Step 3. Subscribe, because in my next video, I'm going to show you how to connect these agents to live web data so they can react to market changes in real time. Don't just watch the future happen, build it. I'll see you in the next one.